Hello everybody, this is Will Stroll of Upendo Ventures. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite somebody to the networking group. So inviting people to the networking group is very important because they might eventually become a member and we could maybe help grow our businesses together. Or they could also, be somebody who can maybe come in and out as a substitute here and there. So it's very important to keep expanding our network because you never know when that next connection will be great. So the first way you can do this is by entering into the growth dashboard, and you can do that after logging in. And so when you logged in, you can tell that you are by seeing your name up top with your face maybe if you've updated it, and the logout link instead of login. Then you click on grow. From here, you're in the growth dashboard, and the very first button you see at the top here allows you to invite someone. So this does it in a way that just basically creates a first draft email for you. So you can click on it, and then there you go. It has a little bit of a starter email for you. So all you have to do right now is just fill in the rest if you want. So that's one way to do it if you'd like. Another way to do it is just draft your own email. But when you do, I would suggest that you include two different links. The first link is the visitors link. So if you click on the visitors page, you can copy the URL, but this will help inform anybody that you invite on what to expect. So that way they don't show up and just catch themselves having to learn a spiel or create a spiel for the first time or something like this. The other link I would tell you to send them is the members page. So you click on members, copy the link, put it into the email, and this will help them because now they're going to be able to see who they're going to network with at the event. So that's really it. It's not too difficult, so you just draft an email yourself, or that you can use the other email as a starting point, and then you can help grow the group. So thank you so much for your time and have a great day. Bye.